It's definitely not a dink. Whoa. Whoa. Alright, I've got a Mod Podge of baits. I've got some bluegill, and this is all about 2 weeks old. Some catfish that I'd caught 2 weeks ago in my last video. I've got some shad we got that night, and I've got some chicken I had. So, and this has all been in my freezer since the last trip. So, I'm gonna see if I can get some fresh bait, but we're gonna have to start with this. I've had an issue with break-offs on these lighter tackle. I had been using, you know, what line was on them, which it could have been, you know, anywhere from 6 to 10 pound test line, and then I put 30-pound leaders on them. Well, sometimes it would break at the leader, sometimes it'd break on the main line on these smaller fish. So what I've done is switch to a 20-pound braid and a 40-pound leader on these 2 crappie rods. Ooh, one right off the bat. Be one of my bait fish. Oh, we got one here. Can't tell if he's still on or not. I picked up that small one pretty quick on the chicken suspending over here on my little crappie rod, which is nice to watch those things. Even those little ones like that'll bury these rods. And I keep getting a hit over here on this catfish, but it's not. It must be a small one. When we can get a decent fish, I'm going to try out this new little weigh scale. These things are cheap. I got it on a app called Temu, T-E-M-U. These things are like 5 something, so I had to order 2 of them because you have to do a $10 minimum. But anyhow, I got this. It takes 2 AA batteries, and it seems like it works good. I've had it on and, you know, pulled my finger and it works. So we're going to put it up against my good one and see if it weighs the same, and see, because this is a pretty good deal. Got one on. Doesn't feel very. Oh, we got one over there now. That one just shot off over there. I'm not feeling very much, so I'm not really optimistic that he's any good, of any size. He sure took it down pretty good. Of course, again, this is my brother's cheap rod. He's got a little, whoa, hang on, fish. Don't get on my line over here. They already did it. Nope, we're good. I'll bring him over here. I want to try to keep him out of this other line. Yeah, he's not too bad. Not too shabby. Thought he didn't fight very much for his size. It's a decent little 5 or 6 pounder there on the bluegill, you can see there. All right. Had some decent action here pretty quick. That rod, it may have came loose. I may have to reel in everything and go get it. I think it's attached. All right, let's get rid of him. That one might not have hooked up because this was up in there in its way. Happens. Whoa, this thing went down while I was trying to deal with that other one. Not very big though. It's another dinker off that chicken. I may have to get rid of the chicken. Boy, it gets exciting though when they take them down like that. Well, that's been some pretty fast action. I think I just caught one over there, about a 5 or 6 pounder. That one got hit while I was reeling him in, but didn't hook up, I think, because the part of the bait got turned up into the hook. While I was trying to get it back out, that buried. And I mean, it goes down. Those little ones bring that little rod down hard, and it looks so cool. But still, but it could be just as easily a 10 pounder or even a 50 pounder, you never know. Oh, this one went off while I was trying to get this other one out. This one took down on me. You can see while I was trying to get that other one out. Just not getting any real big ones yet, but we're getting a real steady bite and it's early. I just had a double hang up, which is something I ain't had out here dragging in this area yet, but you never drag the exact same spot, so. My little Placino net is the only one I've got. I took my family tubing last week instead of fishing, and of course I took everything out of it that was fishing related, and forgot to put the net back in. Come on, quit messing with it unless you're gonna take it. Big fish, be a big fish. Oh, 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 there it goes. Whoa, look at him go, look at him go. Whoa. Little guy. Ooh, well, yeah. They sure look spectacular when they take them down. It is fun to watch that go down, even with these little ones. Not a big fan. I'm looking for the more in the 6 to 10 or 5 to even 4 foot or 4 pound to 10 pound area. What I'd like to catch on that dinker. Got something over here. Feels a little heavier than anything I've had tonight. Feels a little heavy. Could be a problem if he's a good one because I don't have a sufficient net. I have to be grabbing him with the... This is definitely a heavier fish than I've had tonight. Oh. I'll have to bring him in with jaws of life. I ain't putting up too much of a fight. They tend to, ooh. I'm feeling some weight, people. I am feeling some weight down there. I am feeling a log, and that's usually a good sign. I can tell you this ain't a dink. Whoa, there he was out there. We have definitely got a fish now. If we can get him in the boat. Let's see if that happens. Man, this is gonna be a nice fish. You can see that tail out there. He'll probably nosedive once we get him in here. Probably ought to get this out of the way. Oop, don't want to do it that way. Oh. So, that seemed like a good idea for a second, but let's get that out of the way. We're definitely going to have a fish here. How big, I don't know, but I think he's going to be over 10. We're going to need the clamps there. What do we got? Oh, there's some pool. Oh, this, I don't know. Oh, my mercy. That's definitely over 10. If he starts fighting, we're going to have a problem. Easy there, Hoss. Whoa. Whoa there, Hoss. Good thing I didn't catch him on the little stuff. We could have had a problem. There he is. We got him in. Get over there. This would be a good one to try out that new little weigher on. Yeah, I'm gonna guess he's in the 12 area, 12 or 13 area maybe. Let go of that thing, dummy. There you go. Let's get this hook out of your mouth. Oh yeah, we need that in your mouth anyway. Okay. All right, we're gonna try him first with my regular scale, and then we'll go to the cheap scale. So let's see what we got here. You don't get this flippy handle with the other one. There's a high. There's the pounds. is in the 13.5 range. Okay, that's what the good weigher says. We'll see what this other weigher says. Where'd my hole go? It turns on pretty easily here. All right, there it is. Pounds. Let's see what we're getting here. In that same 13.5 area. So, this little cheapie I got probably came from China or somewhere on Temu, T-E-M-U, did the job. Now I turned it off, just turn on, turn off. 13.5 pounder here. Let's show him off. Yeah, baby. Nice fish. Woohoo! Nice fish. Yeah. Finally. All right, let him go. Let the baby go. Easy there, Hosselina. There you go. Got him on my bluegill head. Let's see what these gills look like. Yeah, they're getting a little old there. Caught him though. But I think we're gonna swap him out for a new piece. All right, we'll get us a new bloody piece of 14-day-old bluegill, probably 16-day-old bluegill, really. Never had a good downward fight with him, but at least he was a heavy feeling fish bringing him in. Hit that thumbs up, let's do it. Oh, we gotta take down. We gotta take down. Usually when I start thinking about making a new rig or something like that, let's get some weight to it too. Making a new rig, getting busy doing something, that's when the bites come. This fish got some weight to him. I'm not calling him a monster or anything, but at least he's not one of the dinks I've been catching all night. Well, could be a little premature with that, as usual. Might have just had one that was a little more aggressive than the rest of them, apparently, because he doesn't look very big. Heavy for a little fish. Well, I don't know. It might be a little embarrassing to call that one. You may not see this one on video. Something acts like it's got it. Yep. Whoa, something got it. Oh, don't have it anymore though. Yeah, you got it. That's weird. Had something on that line, took it down for quite a while. By the time I got to him, nothing. And then at the same time, hit one on this one. Hit one on this one. Not very big, but it's action. Oh, a little bigger. About a 5 or so pounder, or 6 maybe. Yeah, a little better fish. What we've been getting. Yeah, that's not a bad little fish. There's our fella. Hey, hey, hey. Let's start that biting thing. Nice little 6 pounder, 5 or 6 pounder. Got him on the catfish. And what we got going on here? We're kind of dragging through a creek area. You know, there's a lot of kind of creeks areas, channel little areas through here. I'll show you here in a second. Whoa, look at him go. Look at that fish go. Pulling, oh, did he give up? Must have been a guard. Holy cow. Man, that's the crazy takedowns you get. Surprisingly, haven't got hooked up too much tonight. Oh, there we go. Whoa, there's a takedown. I just set that other rod in. He's got a little, just a little more. Oh, what do we got going on here? Uh-oh. We got double action going on here. I don't know which one to hang on to. That one or the one here that seems bigger. I think that one's give up. This is going to be on catfish, so he's a little bigger. A little bigger fish. Yeah, that's a little nicer fish. There we go. And he's on old chunk. I tell you what, I am seeing fish that look like they're coming off the nest, because this is really should be a decent sized fish, but he is skinny, like he hasn't been eaten. You can tell that back end of him. He's got a bigger head, but he's got a little body, so he's just been at work. Whoa, what do we got here? Whoa, there he goes. There he goes. Is he there? Something's there. I can't tell what size. Oh, he's still there. I don't know what we got. Feel dinky, but well, I don't know. I'm not going to call it again. Whoa, that was a little bit of pull. Whoa, he's moving. Whoa, the fish, where are you going? Oh my goodness, oh, this thing's got a little size to him. Whoa, I don't know what he's doing, what is up with this fish, but he's either a hard fighting fish Just one that, or he's big. Oh, he's got some bend. This thing is bending some rod here. Oh, don't keep him out of that rod. Let's see what we got here. It's definitely not a dink. Whoa. Whoa. These are rolling though. Oh, he got in that line. I don't know what we got here, but he's decent. He's tangled up in my other line. I don't know what we got. Whoa. Woo, he's a dandy. Oh boy. Another big one on the bluegill. Yeah, we're gonna, ooh, I hope he's not, I don't think he's hooked well. Oh, we're gonna have to get him on that thing. He's gonna be the biggest one of the night. Let's get him first. Let's see if we can get him on this. Oh, he is barely hooked. We have got to get him. Oh, we got him. Oh. Whoa, that's a monster. Woo, that's a big boy we've been waiting on. There he is. Boy, he come right on time. And look how he was hooked. That's how he was hooked. Barely lip hooked. Wow. We got lucky. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Here we go. Whoa, mercy. $24, almost 25. He's up near that 25 area, upper 24s. So he's a boy. He's a big boy. He's the one we wanted. Woo! Pretty close to 25 pounds. Oh, you're not on. Looks like we're gonna have to see him on this camera. That big boy. Oh yeah. About the time I caught that 25 pounder, the mayflies started coming in pretty heavy. Right now I am literally bugging out. Last time when I stayed, when they started coming in, I ended up with a heck of a mess the next day to clean out the boat. Not gonna happen tonight. Hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.